there, and welcome back to Caleb's Creative Designs. And I'm actually going to go ahead and show you how to do a candy bar setup or dessert bar setup for events that you may have, whether it's a birthday party or a wedding or whatever the case may be. Today I'm actually setting up for our Winter Wonderland, and once everything is all set up, you'll be able to see the entire look of everything once it's finished. So I'm looking forward to showing you. So let's go ahead and get creative. I'm going to go ahead and start off with our backdrop. I always do a backdrop for any of my dessert bars. You don't have to, but it just adds a little bit more punch to the actual decor, and I believe that presentation is everything. So I'm going to go ahead and just use 2 whites and 2 silvers for today. We're going to do silver in the middle and then white on the ends of everything. So we'll go ahead and just feed these through real quickly. Silver, I have a complete silver sequin, and then I also have another sequin, but it obviously has a little bit more of a, let me show it to you, where it's kind of see-through a little bit, so I'm actually using both. Okay, so now I'm just going to be placing some things everywhere to make sure we have for what we're actually setting up for. So as far as desserts are concerned, making sure that we have enough places to actually place stuff. So these are just maybe lower areas down here just for easier access. And then I'm just placing a little, like I said, just to do some fillers and making sure that we have areas of places that we can go ahead and put things. So we can add lights if you wanted to add lights and everything, but we're kind of doing a little bit more simplicity. This is a lot, as you can see already. Once we get everything placed, I'll go ahead and show you guys the finished product so you can see it. Very nice and simple. Again, with our Winter Wonderland theme. So I'm excited for you guys to see the rest of it and the actual finished product. So we'll see you guys soon. Take care.